This is the Meet the Shapes Lift the Flap book. And there are 3 characters from the Meet the Shapes video on the front. Star, Circle, and Octagon. I think these are probably 3 of the favorite characters. I think Star is the cutest character I've ever seen. And in this, on the cover, Star is using a remote control to drive her little teddy bear around. And the flaps in this book are huge. They're so much fun. So this, we have to guess what's going to be under here, which character. I'm guessing it's going to be Circle, because to me that looks like a circle. And there's Circle doing a trick on his skateboard. Under this one, is it going to be Square? It looks like Square. And there's Square. And in the video, Square is a carpenter, and here Square has made a fun toy. And let's see what else. Here we have Triangle. And if I open the flap, the page really comes to life. This is just kind of a bare bones scene with a triangle. You open the flap and the page comes to life, and you get to see the character named Triangle, fishing. You get to see one of the little birdies from the video. It's real fun. And let's see if we can see another page. Let's do this one. This is a character named Octagon under this. Let's see. Here's Octagon. Octagon's doing hopscotch in the video, but here Octagon is on the swing. And Star is always driving some little vehicle in the video. In this case, Star is driving a moon rover, and there is Star having fun controlling that. You get to see us shooting a meteorite, asteroid, I'm not sure. And on this last page, you get to guess what's going to be under each flap. I think that this is going to be the character named Star, and yes, it is. And this is going to be Rectangle. Can you guess what this one's going to be? This is Oval. Oval's getting some bread because Oval's a baker. Here's the back of the book. Practicing shapes has never been this much fun, and it says, children love to lift the flaps and meet the shapes. This book features all of the lovable characters from the award-winning Meet the Shapes DVD. Preschool Prep Series products have won over 25 national awards and are used in thousands of schools across the country. You will be amazed at what your little one can learn. And it features circle, oval, square, rectangle, star, diamond, octagon, and triangle. And again, since this back cover was made, now we've won well over 100 national awards, and we're used in millions of homes and schools around the world.